Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Temitope. How is everyone doing today? I hope you are all doing fine. Today I'll be showing you how to cook pepper snail. Before I go on to the video, please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. If at the end of this video, if you find this video interesting, please click on the thumbs up button and share this video with your family and friends. Without further ado, let's just jump right into how to cook pepper snail. The first thing I'll be doing is to boil the snail. So I'll be using seasoning cube, salt, garlic powder and some onions. The snail is being boiled, I'm going to cut out this fresh pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper and red pepper. I'm going to cut them into slices because I will add it to the pepper snail. This is going to give the snail a lot of flavor and make it more delicious. So I'm done with boiling. The next thing I'll do is to fry the snail. Now I'm adding vegetable oil into the frying pan. Then I'll add onions. Onions gives flavor to cooking. So if you want to fry anything, just add a little bit of onions into your vegetable oil. You will see the aroma in your kitchen. It's going to give you the best aroma, and this aroma will take your food to the next level. So I'll add onions to this vegetable oil. Then I add the snail to it and fry for a few minutes. Has been frying for a few minutes. I've turned it to the other side. I'll let it fry for a few more minutes so that it's going to be dry. When it's dry, it becomes more crunchy. than when it's not dry enough. So I'll make it dry very well before I bring it out of the vegetable oil. So the snail is dry now. Then I'll take them out of the pan with the onions. I don't want to see any burnt onions in my pepper, so I bring everything out and reduce the quantity of the vegetable oil to the quantity that I will need to fry the pepper. I've removed the vegetable oil from the cooker just to reduce the quantity of the vegetable oil, and I bring it back. After that, I'm going to add crushed garlic into it. I already crushed garlic, so I'll pour the garlic into the frying pan and let it fry for a few minutes before I'll add onions. So I've added the onions. I'll let the onions fry for a bit. I've reduced the intensity of the light of the cooker so that the onions won't get burnt. So I've added onions. I'll let the onions fry for a few minutes before I add my mix of pepper, which is Scotch, bonnet pepper, atarodo, tomatoes, and onions. I've already blended that and I've parboiled that already, so I'll just pour them into the frying pan once the onions are cooked to the texture I want it to be. So the onions is soft a bit for what I want. Then I'm adding the mix of the pepper. I already said that I already blended the pepper, atarodo, which is Scotch bonnet, tomatoes, and onions. I blended all of that and boil for a few minutes. So I'll add that to the frying pan and let it cook very well. The pepper has been frying for a few minutes, so the next thing to do right now is to add seasoning cube. I'll add seasoning cube to it. Then I add some salt. Just a pinch of salt, not too much because I'm still going to add soy sauce. So I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. Most of the time, if you use soy sauce, you don't need to add salt because soy sauce already contains salt. This is mustard. I added mustard into the pot of pepper. oregano, and black pepper into the pepper. So I mixed everything together and leave it to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes before I added the fried snail into the pepper. So I poured the snail into the pepper, mixed thoroughly so that the pepper will mix very well with the snail. I'm going to cover the pan now and let it cook very well. I want the flavor of the pepper to go deep into the snail. This will make the snail very, very delicious and very soft. So right now the next thing to do is to add diced onions and the pepper, all the peppers that I cut into tiny pieces. I will add them into the frying pan with the snail. I'll let this cook for just a few minutes so that the pepper will not lose its crunchiness. So I'll cook it for, let's say, 2 minutes or thereabouts, just to make sure that the pepper does not lose its crunchiness, because the more it's crunchy, the better it tastes. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you like this video. Please, if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up button and share this video with your family and friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to T Plus Foodies. Thank you for watching this one. Thank you for watching once again. See you in the next one. Bye bye.